Have you ever wondered what the future holds for robots? Will they be our companions, our co-workers, or perhaps even our overlords? As we delve into the fascinating world of robotics today, we'll explore these questions and more. Robotics, a field filled with potential and uncertainty, elicits a wide range of perspectives. Some view it with excitement, others with apprehension. But one thing is certain, the future of robots is as mysterious as it is thrilling. To understand where we're headed, we must first look back at where we've been. The story of robots begins not in the 21st century, but thousands of years ago. Yes, you heard it right. The seeds of robotics were sown by our ancestors. Let's take a journey back in time to the cradle of civilization. In the ancient world, rudimentary forms of automation were at play. The ingenious water clocks of Egypt and China, for instance, were marvels of their time. These devices measured time using the steady flow of water, a testament to human ingenuity even back then. In the hallowed halls of Greek and Egyptian temples, self-opening doors fascinated worshippers. These were not mere parlor tricks, but the application of complex systems of ropes and pulleys, a precursor to what we now term as mechanics. The Renaissance period brought forth a new wave of innovation. Automated dolls, also known as automata, became the playthings of the wealthy, demonstrating the combination of art and technology. And then there were the ingenious machines of Leonardo da Vinci, designs that were centuries ahead of their time. These early inventions may seem rudimentary compared to the complex robots we see today. However, they were revolutionary in their era, challenging the boundaries of what was thought possible. They laid the foundation of mechanical engineering and automation, the very pillars upon which the field of robotics stands today. These early inventions paved the way for the modern robots we see today. So the next time you marvel at a robot, remember its story began much, much earlier than you might think. Fast forward to the 20th century, when the term robot was first coined. The year was 1920. The Czech playwright Karel Čapek introduced the world to the term in his play RUR, short for Rossum's Universal Robots. It's here that the concept of a machine performing tasks in the place of humans was first popularized. However, the concept was not truly realized until the middle of the 20th century, when the Industrial Revolution was in full swing. The introduction of robotics into manufacturing was a game-changer. It was the dawn of a new era, where machines were not just tools, but partners in production. In 1954, George Devil, an American inventor, created the first programmable robot. It was named Unimate, a contraction of Universal Automation. This hulking machine was capable of handling hot die-casting machines and welding, tasks which were dangerous for human workers. It was an innovation that demonstrated the potential of robotics in improving workplace safety and efficiency. But the true birth of modern robotics came in 1961 with the creation of the robotic arm. This was no ordinary arm. It was the first digitally operated and programmable robot known as the Unimate. It was employed in a General Motors assembly line, forever changing the face of manufacturing. This arm was capable of lifting pieces of car body, moving them around and placing them with precision. It was a marvel, not just for its strength, but for its precision and reliability. The robotic arm proved that robots could perform complex tasks with a level of accuracy and consistency that humans could not match. The impact of these innovations was profound. Manufacturing became swifter, safer, and more efficient. Robots took over mundane, repetitive tasks, freeing humans to focus on more complex and creative aspects of production. And thus, the world was introduced to the potential of robotics. From a mere concept in a Czech play to a pivotal part of our everyday lives, robots transcended the realm of science fiction to become a reality. The age of modern robotics had officially begun. As we entered the 21st century, robots began to become more sophisticated and versatile. This evolution brought about a paradigm shift, a change in the way we perceive, interact with, and use robots. The catalyst for this transformation? The development of artificial intelligence, or AI. AI, a concept that once belonged in the realm of science fiction, quickly became a tangible reality. It's a technology that enables machines to mimic human intelligence, to learn from experiences, and to adapt to new inputs. When integrated into robotics, it's like breathing life into a mechanical body. Suddenly, robots could not only perform tasks, but also make decisions, solve problems, and even exhibit creativity. The integration of AI into robotics has led to breakthroughs in a myriad of fields. In medicine, for instance, robotic-assisted surgeries have become increasingly common. These procedures are precise, minimally invasive, and can be performed remotely. In fact, the first transatlantic surgery was performed by a robot back in 2001. In the realm of agriculture, robots are revolutionizing the way we grow and harvest food. They can plant seeds, water crops, and even detect diseases, all while minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. This is a boon for a world grappling with the challenges of climate change and a rapidly growing population. Space exploration too has seen the advent of robots. From the Mars rovers to the robotic arms on the International Space Station, robots are our eyes, ears, and hands in the cosmos. They go where humans cannot, braving harsh environments and vast distances to uncover the secrets of the universe. Robots have come a long way since their conception. They have evolved from simple mechanical tools to complex, intelligent machines. They have permeated every facet of human life, and their influence continues to grow. Today, robots are an integral part of our society. So, what does the future hold for robots? A question that's been on the minds of scientists, researchers, and the curious amongst us. The realm of possibilities is vast and thrilling. Let's take a journey into the not-so-distant future. Picture this: humanoid robots. Not the clunky, rigid machines we're used to, but sleek, lifelike beings capable of mimicking human movements and gestures with extraordinary precision. It's not just about physical appearance, though. The real magic lies in their potential to understand and interact with us on a deeply human level. That's where advancements in artificial intelligence come into play. Imagine robots with the ability to comprehend human emotions, respond to our needs, and even anticipate them. This isn't just about having a helpful assistant around the house. It's about creating entities that could potentially be our companions, our colleagues, even our confidants. But what happens when these robots become so advanced, so human-like, that the lines between man and machine start to blur? This is where we venture into the territory of robot rights. It's a concept that might sound like science fiction today, but could very well be a topic of serious debate in the near future. If a robot can think, learn, and feel like a human, should it not be entitled to some form of rights? However, these potential developments also bring with them a host of ethical implications. As we create more advanced robots, we must also grapple with the responsibility that comes with it. How do we ensure that these technologies are used for the betterment of society and not to its detriment? How do we maintain a balance between progress and ethical responsibility? The future of robotics is a thrilling frontier, filled with possibilities and challenges in equal measure. It's a journey that we're all a part of, whether as creators, users, or observers. The future of robotics is both exciting and daunting. One thing's for sure: robots are here to stay. The evolution and future of robots is a fascinating subject, full of potential and uncertainty. From the humble beginnings of robotics in the 20th century to the awe-inspiring advancements of the 21st, we've seen an incredible transformation. Robots have moved from the realms of science fiction into our everyday lives, becoming integral parts of our industries, homes, and even our bodies. We took a glimpse into the future and saw a world where robots could be even more ubiquitous. From nanorobots repairing our cells, to autonomous vehicles ferrying us around, to humanoid robots living among us as equals. The possibilities are as endless as they are exciting and at times daunting. But it's not just about what robots can do, it's also about what they mean for us as humans. As we've seen, robots have the potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives. They can take over dangerous or repetitive tasks, freeing us to focus on what we do best. They can help us explore the depths of the oceans and the far reaches of space. They can even help us understand ourselves better by forcing us to confront what it means to be human in a world shared with intelligent machines. Yet these advancements also come with challenges. What happens when robots take over too many jobs? How do we ensure that the benefits of robotics are shared equitably? How do we maintain our humanity in a world increasingly populated by machines? The answers to these questions are not easy, and they may not be the same for everyone. But it's important that we start asking them now, because the future of robotics is not just about technology. It's also about us, about our values, our dreams, and our fears. As we navigate this brave new world, it's up to us to decide how we will interact with our mechanical counterparts. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of robotics.